If you've ever tried to play music on a Zoom call, you know the problem. It comes through muffled, robotic, or disappears completely. That's because Zoom's default settings are built for speech, not music. Here's how to fix that in a few clicks. When in a Zoom meeting, open Zoom settings and click the audio tab. Scroll to microphone modes and select original sound for musicians. Check the box for High-Fidelity music mode. This gives you cleaner, richer sound. Just know it uses more bandwidth, so a wired connection helps. Now you're ready to share the music itself. If you're sharing your screen too, click Share Screen. Check Share Sound options in the Options panel, then hit Share. If you just want the audio and no screen, click the Share Screen again and go to the More tab. Select Computer Audio and click Share. That works whether you're playing a local file, Spotify, or YouTube. One tip, if Spotify sounds choppy, switch to the browser version instead of the desktop app. Zoom fixed your sound. Now let's fix your notes. That's where Tactiq comes in. Tactiq transcribes your Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams session in real time, capturing every note, decision, and follow-up automatically. When the session ends, your AI summary is ready to go. Install the free Tactiq Chrome extension with the link below. Subscribe for more Zoom tips.